Hello, welcome to today's vlog. This one has a bit of everything, a bit of shop updates, a bit of me getting stuff for my setup. There's some ups and downs. If I seem a bit down halfway through, don't worry, I'm fine. I recently, well I say recently, at the time of this video, had lost a family friend. So I was still going a bit through it at the time. But yeah, there's a bit of everything. There's a bit of doing stuff for the business, going through inventory. I also got my first order in this video. And I also talk about some products that I am working on at the moment. So join me in this studio vlog. I hope you enjoy the studio vlog. And I am currently just editing a bunch of videos. This is editing Mel talking. Hi. It's June by the time I'm editing this. Sorry for taking so long, but I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, enjoy. Goodbye. So I just got a message from a society in the University of Dundee, and I'm going to be donating some prizes for a raffle that they're doing. Why is it underlined?
Can I rotate the camera to face you then back?
Sure.
I did not turn how I wanted it to.
Well, how are we trying to turn
I
it?
tried to turn it in a smooth rotation to face you.
You need to lift the tripod.
It just went
It just crunches.
I was like, tasty.
Eat that, baby. There we go. Oh, it did what I wanted to do. and then the t-shirt. Hi, so I have DeeCon in about a month. Not a month, it's next month, is what I mean. And it's in 2 or 3 weeks. It's in 3 weeks, more or less, right? And it should be plenty of time to prepare everything, but I'm still really nervous. And I think I'm really nervous just because it's my first con. I've only done markets so far, and a con should be fine, but for some reason I'm just really nervous. So right now I'm just budgeting what to do, because I've got a bunch of money from a commission that I did, and I want to see if I can, just budget it to be able to do like a big restock, partially for the market, partially to try out new products, and then partially just to have stock for future markets and like do a shop update or something. I've had some stuff happen in my personal life, so I'm not feeling 100%. But we keep on keeping on, basically. So I'm just going to look at some budget stuff, and I've been toying with this idea, right? Because I really like blind boxes. I think they're super cute. I love figurines, and I have been trying to do blind boxes off of my cat cafe collection. I'll put a picture over here somewhere. And I like how the first one I did has come out, but I'm just kind of nervous because, like, do I want to offer them at the con? I think it'd be cute, but it's a lot of work. It would be a lot of work. Like, restocking stuff should be fine, right? Because it's just ordering in the designs and everything, but I need to budget pretty much, and also figure out what kind of items people would like. I'm kind of thinking of doing a reusable sticker book because I love them. I think they're great, and I think it could be good to have some of those, but it's just a case of figuring out what to put on the cover, I think, is my problem. So I'll need to figure something out with that. It's not really good to try to be creative under stress, let's just say. But yeah, that's how everything's pretty much going at the moment. It's just hard to get work done. Lost someone recently, for context. So yeah, I need to figure stuff out. I've been taking a bit of a break from my 9 to 5 and just trying to take it a bit easy, but I do have the market coming up. So at least I want to get out of the way ordering the stuff that I know I have to restock already, because then I don't have to worry about that and I just worry about other stuff. But yeah, it's just little admin tasks that I need to do before that. So yeah, that's pretty much how it's going just now. Hi. God damn it. Hi, Mel from the future here, and I just kind of want to pop in to say that I kept this in because running a shop is not like sunshine and rainbows all the time, speaking of Happy Pride. It's June at the moment. But yeah, I just want to be transparent about the ups and downs and in the audio, because I lost the footage and I only have the audio. Yeah, I was just going a bit through it, but I decided to keep it just to know what it's like as well. Running a business is stressful. You need to like budget. You may not have the money to do everything that you want to do, so you need to figure out solutions and that kind of thing. But yeah, just wanted to pop in and say a few things, just to say that I am okay. I was just going a bit through it in those clips. But yeah. That is all. Let's go back to the video. Also, I cut it out because it was literally just a lot of me rambling, trying to figure out what to do with products. But I did not end up doing the blind boxes. I'll talk about that more in the rest of the video. God, this video is all over the place. This is what happens when you collect footage for months. But yeah, so I did not do the blind boxes for DeeCon, but I did order keychains, which you will have seen in a clip while the audio was playing. But yeah, just wanted to say that basically what ended up happening is I ordered some keychains for DeeCon, but they did not arrive in time. So I had them in stock at future markets and online, and people have been really loving them, which has been great. But yeah, saves you from all the rambling that I had in the audio with no video. So it's cut it out and TLDR, that's what happened. Enjoy the video. Work slow. It's so pretty. That's exactly what I wanted. Feel how smooth that is.
I love that.
Right?
That's so nice.
Oh. For markets, and I was about to post a story asking for people's opinions on which ones of my designs I should turn into like keychains. This is the current situation. And I think I just made a sale. And I think that's like, oh my god, I got a notification for an email. I think I just made my first online sale on my website. And I am so pumped. Oh my god, yeah, someone just bought a bunch of stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, so they ordered a couple stickers. No, a sticker and a t-shirt. I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. So I'm being a bit silly. Oh my god. I was not expecting it. So it's got like really emotional out of nowhere. Oh my god, I'm so excited because this is my first actual like online order. I'm not going through Etsy or anything. I've got my own website, so it's harder to get traction to it, but oh my god, I'm just really happy. I'm really happy about it. Now I really want to pack it, but I want to wait until the morning because I want to have good lighting to like ship this. I'm so happy though. This is great. I am back again. But yeah, I just want to say that it just means so much to have people like support the business and support what I do and actually like what I make. Because like I've been drawing for forever and I've always wanted to like sell my art. And like I started doing commissions when I was like 13, 14 for friends. And then I did the Kickstarter, and like now I'm running the shop. And it just means a lot to see stuff like actually happening. So it's great. I'm just really grateful and really happy. So yeah, thank you so much for that order. Guys, I literally don't know what's happening. I posted a TikTok today about packing my first order, and then I literally just got another order. Thank you so much for all the support and all the help to my small business, and I really appreciate it. This one's a pre-order, so as soon as it gets here, I'm packing it and I'm recording a video for you guys. Hello, this is VoiceOver Mel here because I realized when editing this that the footage is not great. When I was in the shot, my head was cut off, so here I am to kind of explain what's going on here. Why am I sanding a little white figurine? This is me actually working on creating a new product. If you may or may not know, if you follow me on social media or know me personally, I am obsessed with blind box figurines, and this was before Labubus. Labubus are great, everyone's obsessed with them. But I'm not just doing this to jump on the trend. This is not it at all. I've been wanting to make this for a while. I just really like little trinkets and figurines and desk buddies, and I'm a bit of a maximalist, so I do like decorating quite a bit. I like statues and collectibles and that kind of thing. This is a new product that I'm working on. A little bit of context as to why I'm sanding it and doing everything by hand. This is actually a 3D printed sample that I'm doing of a 3D model that I've done for a collection of a character that you have seen before, actually. If you recognize this design, it's from the Cat Cafe collection, and I have decided to like turn my cat designs, because I've got a very specific way of drawing cats. I've drawn them different ways for the shop, but this is like a very specific way that I really like drawing them in. And I've decided to turn these characters into this creature called Mewo. Or Mewo, however you want to pronounce it. It's Mewwo. And the whole idea is that they're little mischievous creatures that like going on adventures, and they go where they're not meant to be and they just cause chaos, and I love them. And I'm doing a 3D printed sample basically because finding manufacturers to make vinyl figures is really expensive, it's really hard, it's really time consuming. I am currently trying to look for manufacturers. I'm actively in talks with manufacturers, but it's still something that is very expensive to produce. I'm hoping that in the future I'll be able to get them actually manufactured. I might do a Kickstarter at some point to help fund it. We'll see in the future. But it's just a huge endeavor and it's gonna be very time consuming. So in the meantime, I have decided to try to make the process a bit smoother. I am 3D modeling everything to hopefully save time and make the whole process easier with manufacturers and cheaper, because I can just send them the sample that is fully painted with Pantones and tech packs and hopefully make the whole process easier with us back and forth. And I'm also doing this because in the meantime it means that I can also make statues for you guys. So the idea would be of making smaller limited runs of these statues that would be 3D printed and fully sanded, hand painted, gloss varnished by me. And that way I get to make a product that I'm really excited about and see if it actually works in real life. And then also you guys get to join in and part of the fun in this journey. As of the time that I'm editing this video, I'm working on another collection that isn't the Cat Cafe collection from Muwas, it's a different collection. So hopefully you'll be able to see more about that in the future. But yeah, this is just me giving you a little bit of insight as to what is going on. And that's also one of the reasons why I have been a bit late with uploads and have not been posting as much, just because I'm doing a lot of research, product, like ideation, and yeah, just basically product testing behind the scenes. So yeah, this is what's going on. And this other milk guy that I'm showing in the clips was just another product idea that I had, like a little pencil holder or planter or something like that. But I'm still not 100% sure on it. Let me know what you think. I'm still trying to figure out if I actually like it as a design or not. Here you can see how I am sanding, priming, and then painting everything. And yeah, that's basically it. Mel from the future is out and done breaking the fourth wall to you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Goodbye.
It's really good packaging, actually.
Very pretty.
Very. What's it called? Very professional.
Yeah. Oh, look at them! Oh, look at that!
They're pretty.
The yellow is not exactly the shade I wanted, but it's fine. Like, I thought it was gonna be a bit more like orangey.
I like the white though.
Yeah, the white is really nice. You know what time it is though. Time to plug this baby in and no more of this. Oh, there we go, it's plugged in. Oh, I love how it feels. It's very soft. I feel a little bit of a bump when I type. Ooh.